In this video, I'll share with you 10 outdoor-related activities that you can do during the desolate days of winter that will help you beat cabin fever and get you ready for the warmer, more exciting months ahead. Outdoors men and women tend to have a lot of knives. If you've been ignoring all those blades and want to get them sharpened up for all the projects and adventures ahead, now is the perfect time to do so. If you're a fly fisherman or someone who simply enjoys fishing with tackle that you've made yourself, the cold winter months are a great time to tie flies, assemble fishing lures, or tie up a variety of tackle rigs that you'll be using once the fishing season starts. If you're a bow hunter or an archery enthusiast, the winter months are a great time to sharpen your marksmanship skills. Chances are good that there's an indoor archery range nearby that you can go to, and if there isn't, you can also practice at home. This is something I'll be covering in a future video, so stay tuned. Remember that tent and all your camping gear that got filthy dirty on your last trip that you just threw in the basement when you got home and forgot about? Well, now's the time to clean it up and organize all your camping gear for upcoming trips. And in doing so, you may discover things that need to be repaired or replaced. How's your favorite hunting or hiking boots doing these days? If you want them to last for many more seasons, you'll need to clean them up, apply some leather conditioner, put on some new laces, and maybe even put in a new set of odor eaters to keep the stink down. Have you been dreaming about a once-in-a-lifetime fishing, hunting, or other outdoor adventure? Those dreams will never come true if you don't take the first step to making them a reality. So don't wait any longer. Make a firm commitment to use these otherwise dull days to start researching and planning and getting the ball rolling for your dream adventure. Otherwise, chances are good that you never will. Have you put on a few or many extra pounds over the recent holiday months? If so, now's a great time to start getting in shape. Keep in mind that the better shape you're in, the less limitations you'll have, and the more you'll enjoy your time in the great outdoors. Is there an outdoor skill that you've always wanted to learn? Maybe it's tracking animals, orienteering, survival and bushcraft skills, or learning more about the flora and fauna in your area. Whatever you have an interest in, this is a great time to start checking out resources to learn more and dive in. Disasters and life-threatening emergencies can strike when least expected, and if you want to survive them, you need to be prepared. Remember that survival or bug-out kit that you've been wanting to put together, which you still have yet to do? Yes, indeed, you guessed it, now's the perfect time to do so. People who love the great outdoors are always looking for new places to go, new things to see, and new adventures to embark upon. Whether it's hunting, fishing, hiking, camping, or anything else, you'd be surprised how much there is to do right in your own backyard that you probably had no idea about. This is a great time of year to visit the website or the office of your local state conservation department, Department of Natural Resources, Fish and Game Department, Parks Department, or any other outdoor-related state or federal organization. Take some time to do a deep dive into what you can learn from these organizations about potential places to explore. Make a list of the places you're most interested in and start checking them out in the months ahead. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com.